Okay, so let's see if it works. Right, so that's 45 millilitres of water, more or less. I'm going to use this modern copy of a Luton Bowman burner, so I don't have the right burner. Bit more oil. You can never have too much oil. Steam already, really? Wow, I'm doing that. Fantastic. A little bit of steam leak from the Trojan burner. Bit of priming there. You can see the boiler's not soldered in because I wanted to first of all check for water leaks. So I hope you liked the video, guys. The last one in the short series. It's great to see it running. I'm very happy to have got it this far. Nowhere near as much rust on it now as when it arrived. Last job is just to solder the boiler into the firebox as there's no leaks. And then onwards and upwards. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.